So here's the finished guitar. I really love it. For the pickups, I went with Guitar Fetish gold plated Allen Cole 5 magnet professional series, gold to match everything. The bridge pickup is at 8.6 kilo ohms and the neck pickup is 7.6 kilo ohms. I can't say how good the tuners and the bridge and the pickups that came with the kit were because I never used any of that stuff. I replaced everything, all the hardware. The only thing I used out of the kit was a body, the neck, and the truss rod cover. Everything else was replaced. Even the control panels on the back. I've got full-size potentiometers. I didn't use any of the electrical parts that came with the kit either. Or the knobs. I like the black knobs much better. The tone knobs or tone potentiometers are push-pull switches, or pull switches actually. You pull them up, and this one, of course, will split this into a single coil instead of a dual coil. If I do this one, it'll split the back one. Get a lot more different tones and combinations with it. Of course, you have your three-way switch. Down, of course, is the bridge. Center is both. Up is the neck. I put Wilkinson tuners. I don't know if you can see that. They're locking tuners. They have a hole at 90 degrees from each other, so when you string it, you go in one hole, come around, come in the other hole, and it locks them into place. They're really tight, unlike the ones that came in the kit were so sloppy in this shaft right here. These are tight. They had no slop at all. I like these tuners a lot. The locking straps, I love these. I got these in gold from Guitar Fetish as well. On my other guitar, this strap without these locks, there's a couple of times it come loose on the back and I almost dropped the guitar. These attach right to the strap and they have a quick connect on the guitar itself and they lock right into place. They don't come off. I really like that. I think I'm going to do all my guitars like that. So let's do some tones. I'm going to be running it plugged into my Fender amp, Champion 40. Everything's set on 5 on it. And the guitar, I'm going to set everything on 5 here. Which might be a little loud. But since I'm going to record straight in to my digital recorder from the headphone jack, so in order to be able to hear what you're hearing, I'm going to have to run headphones into the recorder to be able to hear. Okay, I'll be recording in music mode on the digital recorder. Okay. Yep, okay, have sound. Make sure everything's set to 5 here. Okay, I am in humbucker mode, neck pickup. Don't make fun of my guitar playing. I'm a terrible guitar player, I know that. Okay, now we'll go to, might as well single coil that real quick, let you hear it single coil. Okay. Let's go to the bridge pickup, humbucker mode. going to single coil the bridge pickup. Okay, go to both pickups, humbucker mode. And let's just try both single coils. And we're going to go humbucker mode on the neck, single coil on the bridge. And let's just go humbucker on the bridge, single coil on the neck. Okay, now let's go for a couple of rounds of dirty tone. I have everything on the amp set to 5. All I gotta do is hit channel 1, and I have the effects turned off. Everything in the middle, of course, and I got the voice on metal. Let's go with the neck pickup first. Okay. Bridge. I know it wasn't the exact same strokes, I'm just kind of going off the cuff here. And let's go center. Let's just do them both on single coil real quick. Neck. Bridge. And both. I ain't gonna try to play a song or nothing. I just wanted to show you it works and give you a quick tone test on everything.